Hello viewers. Happy New Year to all my lovely viewers and subscribers. Today I am going to show you a traditional Bengali dessert recipe, Dudh Puli. It's one of the most famous and delicious pitha puli of Bengal during Makar Sankranti. Dudh Puli is a very unique styled coconut stuffed dumplings and the shell is made of rice flour. So let's see what we'll need to make this Dudh Puli. Rice flour, sugar, desiccated coconut, palm jaggery, ground cardamom, whole cardamom, saffron or saffron, bay leaf, salt and milk. First we will make the stuffing. Add desiccated coconut into a pan. Put the flame very low. Dry roast them for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 1 cup of sugar. Stir very nicely. Mix sugar with coconut. It will take 5 to 6 minutes. When all the sugar melts, add pinch of ground cardamom and mix with the coconut stuffing. Switch off the flame and transfer into a flat pallet to cool down. Now into a large mixing bowl, take 2 cups of rice flour, add pinch of salt, mix the salt, add hot water into it and make a medium soft dough. The water must be too hot, so careful while making the dough. Now take a small portion from the dough and make a small ball by using your palms. Now wet your fingertips with water and start to make the shells of pitha. Press it with your fingers to make it thin and give a round pocket-like shape. Add spoonful of mixture into the pocket. Seal the edges by pinching with your fingers. Now roll the puli in your palms. It will shift like this. Now boil 1 liter of milk into a heavy bottom karai for 10 minutes. Now add 1 bay leaf and 3 to 4 slitted cardamoms. Stir in between. Now add the puli or dumplings one by one carefully. And give a light mix. Cook for 7 to 10 minutes on low to medium flame. Now add palm jaggery and stir very gently. You can see their color is changing. Add saffron and give a little mix. Now Doodh Puli is ready. Bring them to room temperature and serve them. Sprinkle some cashew nuts and liquid jaggery. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and do comment. Thank you.